Julie said, most of the people here are very friendly. I haven't been really, I really haven't had a chance to go around that much, but my sister lives here. She's been here for 20 years, and she can't find it in her heart to move anywhere else. That's how much she loves Toronto. So I think this must be a great place to be in.
It's home by affinity, di ba?
Okay, Gary was saying something about Toronto, like Toronto. Good.
Actually, kinausap ko si Angeline. Di ba, Angeline? Yung sinabi mo
Hindi
sa akin.
nagtuturo.
Yung sinabi mo sa akin tungkol sa Toronto, di ba?
Ano po yan?
Yung kahapon. Nalimutan ko na eh. Ano nga yun?
Hindi kasi di ba ito po ang honeymoon capital of the world?
Is it?
Honeymoon.
Niagara Falls.
Doon ako galing kahapon. So,
Saan talaga honeymoon?
hindi yung sinasabi sa akin. Kasi galing po kami ng Niagara kahapon. So, sabi ko siguro kung magkakaroon po ako ng asawa na. Huwag naman pong magmadali. Sandali lang. Gusto ko dito makabalik. So, sana... Yun lang po.
Ginger, I think the question was for everyone.
For everyone. Oh, hindi ko lang ligtas.
Yes.
Hindi kayo makakaligtas talaga. We're gonna start from that end, you know? Tapos sabi ni Julie na ganda kay Darren.
Darren wanted Calgary sana.
He's switching for Calgary.
With Toronto, I guess there's so many things that you can do. It's like, you can go do a lot of things. I guess that's what I like about Toronto. You can explore. And also, what else?
Would you like more, Calgary or Toronto?
I guess, mas sanay mo ako syempre sa Calgary since that's where I was born and raised.
Children are so awesome.
And but I love going back to Toronto every time. And ayun po, I love seeing the people. They're very nice, of course. All the Canadians, I would say.
Yes.
And yeah, parang yun noon po yung masasabi ko sa Toronto. Yeah. Kuya.
Okay. Yun. Siguro ako po kasi I've been here a lot. I've been to Toronto so many times, and masasabi ko lang, every time I come and every time may event, napaka-warm talaga ng mga Pinoy. Grabe po yung pag-welcome sa amin, yung pagtanggap, and ang isa sa mga gusto ko rin yung sa Toronto is medyo nakakatawa yung weather. Kasi kung saan ako lumaki, sa Missouri dati, ganito yung weather namin. So medyo yung feel ng home nandito rin sa Toronto.
Toronto, a basketball fan. I know you watched a couple of... share mo naman, di ba
Pasensya na sweep namin kayo last season. Sorry, but congrats sa Blue Jays kanina. Nanood kami live kanina. So congrats. Blue Jays, 8-4 daw. 8-4, yes, 8-4. And they were down the first inning.
Melanie, and okay. Ako, about Toronto, siguro I've been here a lot of times. Tapos I've been doing shows here mga 4 times, and this is my 5th time with my ASAP family. And every year, mga Filipinos dito never fail to amaze me. Kasi laging warm yung, parang every time I perform, parang first time nila ako makita. Tapos kanina, and since kagabi, yung mga tao, they keep on calling me, Bianca, Bianca, pahing Tiger Shark drink. So parang, pinapanood nila yung show namin. Because it feels good to be recognized as your character. Kasi yun, sinusubaybayan ka nila. Then, yun, nakaka-happy. Parang nasa Pilipinas ka lang din when you see people, Filipinos here in Toronto. So, nakakatuwa. So, very thankful and very happy. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kim, of Miss Z.
Hindi ko na mabilang pang ilang trip ko to. But you know, I think it's my first time na umikot sa city. I don't know why. Siguro kasi pag malamig, hindi ako masyado makalabas. Siyempre, kailangan i-protect yung throat and all. I love the architecture. Siyempre, learned na ako ng konti. Tungkol dyan. Hindi yung combination kasi,
siya Gothic, Renaissance, parang gano'n, and then neoclassical. Medyo sobrang luma, hindi ba? Tapos yung mga modern na mga glass na mga buildings. It's wonderful. Yeah. Nga akong nalalaman na, konti lang na. Pero I love it. I love it. It's such a beautiful city. It's amazing to finally see it. So, there.
Did you know that we are so connected? Toronto and ASAP, one of your very first hosts was Ariel Rivera, and he's from Toronto. Well, you know, Canadian. And the wonderful thing about Toronto, as well, is that this is my prediction, I think this will be the role city as far as TFC goes. You're going to show all the other places and all the other cities in Canada what TFC is all about and how connected we are because of the Filipino channel. So I suggest that all of you go out and spread the word. That if the other parts of Canada don't know yet about the Filipino channel, or don't know yet about that we have ASAP and they can watch it live on television or on the internet, I think you should be very, very, sometimes you don't know how good you have it because you're living inside looking out. But outside looking in, I think that the Filipinos here in Toronto are the most united and are perfect examples. And for other Filipinos around the world, not just in Canada, you're people that they should follow. I can see that everyone, so you follow the rules here, do you?
Yeah.
Because in our country, we are not following the rules. But when you come out, you step out of your country, you come to another place like Toronto, you make it your home, you become the role models. Because Canadians are really the nicest people in the world. Yeah. Now, when you add Filipinos to that mix, in the world of showbiz, you would be the total performer. That's what you would be.
All right, if I could just squeeze this in. Oh, another mic drop.
On behalf of all the artists and the staff of ASAP, to all of those who are watching us on Facebook Live from all over the world, thank you so much, for being here. With regard to that question, I think the answers would be similar to why you, the media, are here in Toronto and why you've chosen to stay here. Toronto, on a very, very personal level, people of the media, Toronto for me is very special because my first time here, which was in 1989, I suffered a very severe hypoglycemic attack, which made me end up going to the emergency room at the hospital. And what stood out for me was the way the promoters at that time took care of me, and how there were fans that found out about it and kept on asking, how is Mr. Valenciano doing? And so there's a very special place in my heart for Toronto. Now, when I'm asked, Gary, would you want to go? Yes. Or even when my sister says, Gary, you want to go to have a Canadian tour, the first thing I say is, are we going to Toronto? And I don't think I've had enough time here to really experience enough of its people, but I've perhaps experienced enough to say that this is one place that if I have a tour in Canada and I don't come here to Toronto, the tour just will not be complete. It has to have Toronto for me to say I had a Canadian tour.
How do I beat that?
You just say, okay.
Well, to answer that question, I was told in Canada it's like California. So the concentration of Filipinos in Canada are mostly in Toronto, Ontario. So obviously we had to do our show here in Toronto because most of the Pinoys here in Canada are based in Toronto, right?
It's the best one.
Moving on. Yes, that's very... Magaling talaga nito.
Serious ang natuwa ako sa Toronto and sa Canada dahil siguro pag mommy ka na, iniisip mo na yung future mo, parang ang ganda po talaga ng benefits dito. And natutuwa ako na parang sana someday, actually isa ito sa consider ko na kung magre-retire ako, gusto ko dito mapunta. Bakit yan? Hindi talaga ako good. Pero sobrang akong na-excite na like sa ASAP, makikilala yung mga features sa LSS kasi lahat ng mga kilala ko rin po at mga kamag-anak namin na napunta na rito, talagang parang ayaw na yata nilang umuwi ng Pilipinas. Dahil parang sarap na sila dito. Yung lahat, yung lugar, yung weather, and lahat ng mga nakukuha nila ngayong matanda na sila. So, yun po.
Abangan natin yung the story.